Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and this is Julie's Pastry Kitchen. Today we are going to bake a red velvet cake, and if you like it, kindly share, subscribe and click on the notification button to get notified every time we post a new video. Here are our ingredients. So we have caster sugar, butter, eggs, baking soda, vinegar, vanilla essence, red color gel, buttermilk, cocoa and flour. So we are going to first beat the butter and the caster sugar together, followed by the eggs. So now we are going to add in the eggs one by one. So now I'm going to sift the flour and cocoa powder together, then adding the red color gel into the buttermilk. So guys, our buttermilk is now colored. Buttermilk is another name of fermented milk. You can also use other options like yogurt or squeeze in a lemon into natural milk and let it stay overnight. So now I'm going to add in the flour into our butter and mix it in with the buttermilk slowly by slowly. So now I'm going to add in the baking soda into the vinegar and let it fizzle, then add it into the butter mixture. So after it's done fizzling, you can now add it to the butter mixture. So our butter mixture is now ready. I'm going to now put it in my tins. I had already oiled them and dusted them. So I'm going to separate the butter into two halves and put them in the oven. So to get rid of the air bubbles and to also have a flat top, I'm going to just knock the cake tins on the counter and then put them in the oven. So I had already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. Now it's just setting my timer at 50 minutes. So see you in 50 minutes. Hi guys, it's far much later in the day and our cakes came out okay. The lights went out and we were not able to record, but now it's time to decorate. I will be using whipped cream and white chocolate for making the ganache later on, and then I'm going to use the pearls and stars for just a little touch up. So let's begin. So first I'll start by beating the whipped cream, and as it beats I'm going to also make the ganache. So guys, always remember to beat your cream until you have steady and sharp peaks, just like this one. So first I'm going to start layering the cakes and cover them up with cream and then go on with the decorations. So guys, our cake is done and it looks amazing. And if you're wowed by it, please subscribe, and also comment down below on other recipes that you'd want us to try. See you next Thursday at 3 p.m. Bye.